So this is a Frigidaire. It's making a beep noise. F11 error. All kinds of beeping. I think it's process of cleaning it. Let's see if we can reset the alarm. We'll shut off the circuit breaker and turn it back on. See what happens. So the range is right there. Let's see. Range. We're going to shut that off. Wait 15 seconds. All right, that's about 15 seconds. I'm going to turn it back on. See that that does anything. Laura said she was cleaning it, and then maybe press all those buttons for no reason. So let's see what happens. I'm going to reset the switch and see if anything changes. Like the clock is flashing. Let's see if we can set the clock. So far so good. We'll let it ride. See what happens. So that seemed to do the trick. I think because she was cleaning the stove too hard, she was pressing all the buttons. Triggered an error, so the error code I'll flash it across the screen. If you hold the button on too long, it gives you that F11 error code. Alright, just want to make a quick video to how to resolve that error code. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you next time.